Hey guys, my name is Ashik and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a special treat for you, a compilation of some of the cutest animal videos we've come across on the internet. From playful puppies and cuddly cats, we've got all covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into some cuteness overload. Let's start with little fella, a boy panda playing with a ball. Look at how it rolls around, trying to catch the ball. It's just too cute. Who wouldn't want to have one of these as a pet? Up next, we've got a cat that clearly had a long day. He's lying on his back, paw in the air, and looking completely relaxed. It's hard not to feel a sense of calm just watching him. I think we could all learn a thing or two from this little guy about how to relax. Moving on, we have a video of a baby elephant taking a bath. The way it splashes around in the water and uses its trunk to pour water over itself. It's just cute. It's like it's having the time of its life, and who wouldn't be with that much water to play in? Next, we've got a video of a baby otter playing with a toy. The way it holds the toy in its teeny paw, a bite it is just too precious. You can tell that this little guy is having a blast, and it's impossible not to smile when watching him. And last but not least, we've got a video of a sleepy kitten. It's lying on its back, paw over its eyes, and completely knocked out. It's almost as if it's saying, "I'm too cute to handle. I need a snap. I'm not too cute to handle. I need a nap." We couldn't agree. We couldn't agree more. And there you have it, folks, our compilation of some of the cutest animal video out there. We hope you enjoy watching these adorable creatures as much as we did. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more cuteness overload. Thanks for watching.